Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. I'm in Boracay, Philippines, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my Airbnb Oceanfront condo. So I stayed actually here one night ago, and I have a separate video on that. And today I'm staying here in this Airbnb Oceanfront condo, and you can see that this is right in front of the ocean, and this is the Bulabog Beach in Boracay. So this is a nice ocean facing condo, and it's a nice walk here, and there's lots of activities you can do, and you're just facing the crystal clear water and white sand beach, which is right here, and you're going to see lots of boats. So let's go inside, and this is the kind of lounge area. You can just sit there and enjoy the ocean, and we're going to enter here. And I have working lady with me. She's busy doing some work.
Hello.
Hello. So when you enter, you're going to get the kitchen area, and there's the refrigerator, there's the microwave. So this is the first time we are getting a microwave. We didn't have this before. And there's the stove, and they provided all the stuff you need to cook and make your own meal. So the beauty of this is it's actually 2 floors. So here there's the living space, which you can see right here, and then there's the TV, and the washroom and the shower is actually on this floor. So if you go on top floor, there's no washroom, no shower, so these are here. So this is the shower space, which is separated from the toilet. So you have a shower, which is kind of a small area, and then here you have the toilet, and this is separated, and then shower, and then there's a mirror which is right there. So we're just going to take the stairs to go up the stairs, and just to show you how it looks out this window right here. So let's take this stairs, and this is going to be the bedroom area. So you can see that the nice bedroom here, nothing else, just like in a bed, and there's the beautiful balcony again on the second floor, and then here the room again. Okay, so we're just going to open the sliding door here, and hello, and you can see some guys are working there. So you guys work here?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. So you're looking at the beach right here, which is the Bulabog Beach on the east side of Boracay, and then we have this space right here, and actually this is someone else's condo. I don't think anyone, looks like they're using this as a storage room. I don't think there's anyone living here. So there's some 2 sets of chairs here. You can sit and relax, and this is the view from here. So this was the review of the Airbnb. So I paid approximately $100 per night. It's like slightly less than $100, but close to $100 after taxes and fees. This is Canadian $100, and we're here for 3 nights, and then there's going to be a lot more videos from my Philippine trips, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.